Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying something a little bit different. I'm going to be trying the natural makeup look. This is my first time trying this, so hopefully it comes out right. You guys let me know how I did down below in the comment section, alright? Let's get started. First and foremost, I am starting on a freshly washed face. I am not an expert at this. I'm still fairly new when it comes to makeup. So you guys tell me how I did. Right now I'm applying the e.l.f. primer onto my face. I didn't really like the primer, it felt kind of oily to me. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I'm going to use the end with the brush to shape my eyebrows. And then I'm going to use the pencil part to fill it in a little bit. Never gotten my eyebrows done before, so they do look a little bit rough around the edges, but they were still okay. They weren't too bad. The eyebrows to me is the most difficult part of a makeup routine because if you mess it up, they're gonna look at the fact that your eyebrows is lopsided. They don't care about how the rest of the makeup look. Now I'm using the LA Color Pro Concealer to outline my eyebrows. I personally feel like I should have went a little bit lighter, but this still got the job done. I'm going to use this brush to get rid of all of those sharp lines that you see so that when I apply my foundation, it'll be a little bit easier to blend. Now I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. Guys, at first I used the coconut foundation and it did not go with my skin tone. And I'm like, let me just try this again. And it still did not work. I had to wipe that entire thing off. I decided to give Mocha a try and it was fine. It wasn't as bright as coconut. Even though this was drugstore makeup, it did a real good job covering up all the marks that I have on my face. Now I'm using CoverGirl's Clean Fresh Hydrating Concealer. I'm just going to put the concealer underneath my eyes and in areas that I want to brighten. I'm gonna use my GSQ Beauty Blender to blend all of the concealer with the foundation, but the concealer that's underneath my eyes, I'm gonna try to keep it in that triangle motion and not to spread it throughout the rest of my face. Now I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the number 40 Dark. I'm gonna put the powder everywhere that I put the concealer. I do feel like I should have went with something a little bit lighter. I don't know, you guys let me know. After I'm done applying the powder, I'm gonna take my brush and just dust off all of the loose powder. I wanted so bad to add lashes, but instead I used Maybelline's mascara to my lashes. Now you guys don't need to tell me, I know my lips are crusty, so I'm gonna use the Melting Pots Gel Liquid Lipstick. It's a natural brown color, so I thought it would go perfectly well with this look. I did wipe off a little bit just because I didn't want it to be heavy on my lips. This is the final look, you guys. If I didn't mention before, this is my first time trying anything like this. Let me know down below how I did, what I could have done better. Give me some type of advice or pointers because I'm not really an expert at makeup. Like, I'm trying to learn. I hope you guys like what you see. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.